Hello, I'm Nicola Yallup, Acting Head of the NIHR Digital Office. My apologies for not being able to join you in person today, but I'd like to talk with you about where we are with our NIHR digital transformation. So, what do we mean by digital? Digital is not just about technology. It's about finding more effective ways of working and putting the user at the centre of what our organisation does. The NIHR wants to make the most of digital so that we can accelerate treatments and improve patient outcomes. There's an opportunity here which comes from a combination of connected people, devices and data which allow us to create better products and services. The NIHR digital strategy was developed in July 2017 and we focused on finding transformative ways in which digital can deliver a personalised patient experience, thereby reducing the factors that prevent or hinder people from taking part in research. We want to make it simpler and quicker for the researcher community to design, set up, recruit and conduct clinical trials. We can radically improve our data sharing to accelerate research whilst protecting patients' privacy. And we can use technologies such as artificial intelligence and automation to help shape and carry out research at greater speed and greater scale. So where are we now? We're in the second year of the Cross NIHR digital programme, and this work is being led through the NIHR Digital Office. The role of this team is to amplify and connect the work underway across the NIHR. We've delivered some exciting projects that have benefited both patients and researchers, as well as focusing on the underpinning standards and interoperability across the research landscape. For example, we are developing a digital leadership community through focused training and opportunities to shape and deliver transformation at both a national and a local level, and to support a real focus on internal improvements. And we're experimenting, we're innovating, and we're forging stronger partnerships across the research ecosystem. One example of this is the work that's been done to date on interoperability. We've been working very closely with the MHRA and the HRA, so the Medicines Health and Regulatory Agency and the Health Research Authority, to see how together we can make it easier for people to work in research. There's been lots of work to date over the last 9 to 12 months to define and agree our interoperability standards across the systems. This means that researchers will only have to do things once, for example for approvals or for reporting of research, and then the different systems will be able to more easily interconnect, transfer the data and reduce the time spent on the administration of research. We're working closely with NHS partners such as NHS England, NHSX and NHS Digital. And this is both to explore the use of the NHS login and connecting trial information with the NHS number. We're working with the NHS app team to see how we can better share research through the recently launched NHS app. And in parallel to this, we're continuing to develop the NIHR app. So this app is focused on patients and public participating in research, and it was originally one of our Springboard projects. We focused on developing this in partnership with patients and for patients, so a real demonstrator of co-production. It's part of the Be Part of Research service, and it will be available through the Apple and the Google stores by the end of this month. This represents a fundamental shift in our ability to engage with patients in a dialogue in a systematic way. And as we continue to develop the app, we'll be able to thank patients individually and share with them the outcomes of the research and build that relationship so that in the future, for example, we could gain consent to contact for future research opportunities. So in summary, there are many elements to our digital transformation and work is continuing at pace. It provides the opportunity for us to think creatively and innovatively about how we can deliver research and ensure that the experience of participating in research is both exciting and rewarding. If you have any questions or if you would like to know more, then please do get in touch. There is a digital site that you can look at, or you could write to letstalkdigital@nihr.ac.uk. Thank you very much.